Abusuafo I masa atwatia obiom na mede asam enenam mede asam nenam a me kire wo se twi ba me me pesa wo ye nyina ma me se share video no like it comment it kire wadwen ye papa Maurice Ampaw say no ye ni madin a ye de be ma no yes we know say he is a learned person wo ye lawyer ni mapa e wo man we epepiri no utan hu no social media pages so and now who TV stations bebre anchor for interviewing a work on one kasa host shows trying to share the ideas of the economy and our country no or church and adwin a paper no nsemu o so boa na ye de court na ye attack wa o ma ye iti media ya na mitumi hu na me say my friend is celebrity lawyer o and I mean because your lawyer so bebre o Ghana say bimpo omunim depo ase no ono ni package ni de ene ne brand ni de utumu se ensema enya social media trends no eno na ohobi on is stand on it na onya popular public stance no and popularity stand no na ordinam we eden na aba munim se busumi kakra na atwam na yenua ba Shugatiti ababa wa na ono ababie nanum to kire Ghana for se ono obo ahyawo ena what they making a living on one memada to make a living on Ghana phone throw on the sugar daddies on the big men that and they making a living ababa way to know say when we say saw brand obon all look is so beautiful say ya de biarada dan e bre bi beba she will look old send any mama ababa wa na owo no na wanyi na wo hwe ne mama ofie no onkan ono aka say hu say enye obi na eturifo ono hu say abrabo no obetima akeche dachi enti upon however on faso and making the sikeni na no she is making sure say she will invest the money na investment na ababa we na ababa we be restaurant na restaurant ni de obi abeka so all celebrities young kofu bebre on the likes of Tracy Bwachi obi ebi na sia na ehun say restaurant no kura oton ye maame Vivian Joe no be a restaurant your whole life of celebrity so be a restaurant be the eye sika wo obi no obi etoba se be oboka se wo bi etoba na oboka dia ene na wo fiefo eye on the omwode na wan kasa wo mismanagement ye edos ana bia wo na wo di meduane ye ene wa face wo konsa wo beton aduane aduane de ye ade a people have no choice they will buy a mall you know we a restaurant plan e hoye fair. People just because of the lucrative place they looking and nice that the place is looking, they will surely find a way to patronize you in any other way. Now we and a Shugatiti ababa way FBA restaurant not percent or creating some trending issue which was all yema attention ever. Now when pot and now I didn't help you walk top and normally Uber you chains here. Na chinsi ni ye di aduane begu mama no de de ntesa waye pot na pot yi se bi obi beka broni be se Pεnίs ene tua pot na no ansa na obehwe nkwan no ena obi beka bema ene ye pot utu se ono ankasa e kire won the previous videos bi mu se ono an ko e ma ne ye pot no e ma no ya ni se bema ekoti sani airport we were growing be say Pεnίs sani wa ma airport no ena ni order any stars awaye no ena equity attention and go for say e say baby a restaurant no edui we dey otumu say ejuma na ekoso kakaka more time no okoshe ni Instagram page a ubon so obi pa no beto aduane a odno atimi the video no come so the TikTok page now you are welcome to my restaurant. And people are patronizing your food. Say yeah, they will say yeah, do. Obi ame complaining yes. And yet that's why I win in Ghana. Akwa celebrity, they will bring it out. Say they are new put there and yet there. Yeah, until one kind there. That means she's doing her best. The chef and the cook. So why invite why applaud on we do man no. He may be doing the good job over there. Now when no and yan sim yan kim. And then buy. Yakoba ni na say. Maurice Ampaw said, it was Tinasia who said, Debbie, Mammy, wakwa against the public order. will go against the infringement of Ghanaians because your Chinese says so no. Onim Shugatiti restaurant no. Nebi a wafaka na baby long journey ana baby no pese oni ni makudidi a. Restaurant yenka say ana yentwo tu baby say restaurant dey oba port ni e dey serve na airport here. Orema there's no disclaimer. Ana ebia notice say ni ana under age say meto ebia ne wa ha. Eye restaurant do no more sample betumi de ne ba ebuewura ho. No oni akra ni buewura ni e serve ni nkwan a enkwan no ewo potie mu. Den na sa abofra ni bebisa onu more sample a oye abofra ni papa. Na den na ye mama Shugatiti eche nkola na omoba no. Because be a restaurant enye mpanyimfo nkwan na eba. Say yes, una open betumi the notice about say restaurant we under 12 age for a ma. Just a colani junior adolescent. You go collect to adolescent. Your money who say be oko school play your train ade ye potie and your train ade say it's a new obeni. But one for public notice be and tour. Now the restaurant city was an obi the babebo rao. Now be serving kwanya. Sebi oba bema and the idea di nkwana gumu dia and the Debbie she would take the lady on or do a ban be court utumu say and na interview be say yes he is going to do it ebusuafo yenko tie nsem aye papa Maurice Ampaw ekai
anwa da oni newsroom for adom news ebon komo efa Shugatiti ne restaurant no ho e ma na wo ka say or project obscenity. What can I say? Chilemo ye show is so my.
I think say the wombra ebo then what is it public moral. Say where first one ye chance na ye shena ye pro yaje na ye say yaje. You know the bibiara a product yaje no man say yes criminal. If for example say na obema to me koyi na deja ento abonten na oyata a criminal but na to me pornographic material and trouble as a criminal. For example obi draw bema na oba ba na ayeso or publishing papers mu na or their two address and now or their babontin in the picture form, in the video form, in the graphic form, posting on online and now anywhere no in law no is obscenity, no offensive, indecent exposure, and now nudity. And about the same that obedient, the ball that you did do one name Bema. The picture now Bema. Now on this study of restaurant and that internet so a picture in Colombia it's good to share. And now, when I say, beware, and disclaimer, children are not permitted to enter.
Okay.
Imagine, say, for example, when we buy with 12 years, and the restaurant, to follow your call, when you run restaurant, now you have the bone, I bet Sabia, no, I'm a baba, no, should be the man. Daddy, what is this? Then I make a journal.
So we can
definitely, it means that myself on an again. Now, can I put it for me? Because maybe it looks as if they are not serious in this nation. And my baby, I'm almost over the Jumano. I'm going to find Juma. Yet it was about putting some woman because we see. About one, the tourism governance sector. I don't go against that girl or promote sex tourism. Number two, the regulator, gender ministry, social welfare, those who are criminal investigation department, and directors of cyber crime. They will see this act. Say a promoter nudity is a different form of showing pornographic materials online. That's because the first you'll be restaurant, and it's not in a public space. And to me, it's a serious crime. But you see, what we fail to do is that there be a person will be complaining, will be report, will be petition, but we must be proactive. When you see that the thing is trending on social media, now to the first day, first they got to be caught. Because they did in the foul. And look, they keep up the social influencer who shared how the thing is trending on social media. And we have, number one, the first lady of this country is not concerned. Number two, the minister of gender ministry is not concerned. Number three, the attorney general and they're concerned. Number four, the director of CID and they're concerned. Number five, the director of cyber crime unit and they're concerned. Number six, Child Rights International and the about copying polo there or about Pasuno about Wiser so we practice what we call selective justice.
Okay, and this say I send you any of them or none of them and take action as a lawyer. Why already so take such action?
Yes, you see, one with the public education but two. I think those who are interested and who are responsible taxpayers money should start action. Failure to do so, no, some of us will write a petition and to the various institutions and call for immediate action because that restaurant needs to be closed down. Because, because of promoting obscenity or promoting nudity or promoting sex tourism. Listen to me, that place, restaurant is part of tourism because I don't know bad. They need to make with you. That girl is a celebrity or your dear is known. And and yeah, restaurant I should know a class be a mega zebia, their class of the any white coffee. Now talking about in the city of Accra, where the Emily Janos said, I don't want to use harsh words. But Obi Biara, what could it do with that restaurant for? Bamo or Bano, in fact, I can't we have psychiatric treatment. Oh yes, I'm telling you.
Now, I don't know if I found Bain.
As I say, we have Obia or Bawo. Now, what responsibility say? Obe promote what is just what is fair, what is moral good. Now to be sorry for the Bia. My name I say now we deny or denounce where. Not a problem.
Emma says so can Emma say and so I can Emma because you are going to be so can
and now a man didn't want what was there only there a man. So we that you will be back no but some question that answer answer no. And then we sit down in this country so for and can was no one like the sanity and it's a way officer this girl look at the sense of your bar uncle no region. No complaints are restaurants. The people do I would enter the Islamic religion. You can't go and do this thing in Islamic country. Yeah, it's only here. They just show infinity. So it will be a sorry. Next time.
All right, Council Medasi. Hello, Council. All right.
Now I can tell you the restaurant. You see, guys are they're heading towards the bus. So we're starting with Porter. If the rest of us I don't do. Now maybe find it. If you're going to do it, for the call, that's the who did you know that you show pornographic material.
A bit made with that extent. A bit made with that extent.
Yes, or testimony. We're starting first stage. We'll be cash. Second stage, human demo over by there. Also, we will show you the real thing. But I say, your real thing example, a side attraction. And you will be here. Mana separate, and we are sitting now and we don't see anything wrong with that. And then we so-called activists, human rights activists. They are all quiet. They don't see anything wrong with that. As of for Christian Council, Pentecostal Council, and the body of Christ, tell you, you're sure say we Christian. It's enough support. Not support. But we get the sorry. So far, so I don't know any problem. Because it means that you have to blame the church. You have to blame the pastor. I blame the mommy or no. I started blaming the family member because to me, the family member brings such a lot now. I will disown that family member because or portray say you need to share with me. And you see, I'm personally provoking the girl to come out against me. Because the but dragging up court. But so, you know, no, just so attack now, or back as if you allow them for home, or what about to the rather war.
Meso before because we for home being.
And for me, because we are talking about the public moral. Yeah, you know, member or some member, because maybe I was sure, but want to be can't kill them. And see, my memory example. Say, coalition the way na ya kashia. So kai as a craft. Nebia ya kaso obi anze bi mbra. O dey say na for let me complain. Bibi say I dey command the teacher. Say ya me also actor. But the teacher can say, hey, why is it so sad? But that's Shagan speaking. There's nothing wrong with that. Because Obama would not for the year actor crafter. I tell you about because at least we share a woman.
Okay, and the council, my member say, a banner say police or any other security. I guess someone be taking action now. I'm bet me in case.
Oh, maybe he should be arrested. In fact, Ghana Forest Board to quickly close down that facility and order her to retract all those insane materials from the shop. Was a promoted to the case. And you see, me say, rough, the mom catch trouble. I put it on notice. The mom only 1 week. That's what I told court.
All right.
Put it on notice.
I challenge you. 1 week in this one. 1 week in this one. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw make how.
Me say, yeah,
come in to me.
That's a restaurant. No, I got caught. Let me find George in Tonos.
All right.
Ebusiafo wa sempa. I Maurice Ampaw to move as obi ani maame ne papa ewo no di no ko university. Now okusiam emra as much as he has done his very best to study the law. He is ready and almost prepared to defend the laws of the country. Whoever goes against the law, he will hold that person responsible. Operi osuti sankofo no amoma usa emra ewo mani untumi story bibia anya keke. Even else sorry or mani anya bibia keke. Because even when you go to the United States publicly no uye bibia, yes, the bet my Saudi wa but you have to go according to the confines of the law. I was saying right ekoso ono sumu say Shugatiti no wa fan wedi ya o en obi so ebi obi ba be restaurant obeka say enye bia what the we chains and aba they are drop chains no we chains na then ye kire nkola no e wo Ghana edwane a ebedi no ubi restaurant a enye sebe kote a udi be ye chains ya udi be si wo no and ebe kire say edwane na auton itu onu Maurice Ampaw there Debbie he will take on ebusiafo mi a me di dwumedie ebro me di ndi opia say limo elekem kwame ameda obetimi aframe efoken kasane ebeseshia akra bye.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchensin papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kaso bonsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo agye wɔn atum ne true things ana wɔn adwuma ɛda nso na wɔntu sika engu da biara ɛda